Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching by Peacock Arts. Today we are going to make a cup of herbal tea. I'm talking about the painting we are going to make. I'll be using acrylic colors and 8" by 8" canvas board, and this very piece of art is going to be great for kitchen interiors, dining area, or it can be beautifully hung in any cafe. So let's see how we can make this beautiful creative cafe art.
Before we begin with today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. I'm going to start with my background first, and in my palette I have titanium white, yellow ochre and cadmium yellow. By mixing all these colors, I get this beautiful light tone. I had already sketched out my drawing here, so I'm not going to use any shades over here. I want a solid colored background. So if I assume my light source from the left, I will get a very light tone on the left side of the painting, and on the right side, just near the corner, I am using darker colors to depict shadow. And also I am using direct yellow ochre around the saucer to depict shadow. As here I am showing a herbal tea being poured in the cup. So for the color of the tea I am using crimson red mixed with cadmium yellow, and I get this beautiful orange tone. I'll be covering the cup with this orange tone. So in the cup there are some herbs that I've drawn, and while painting this I'm being very careful that my color doesn't spill into those areas. You can also use a reference from the internet to understand the lighter and dark areas, or you can say the shadows and the highlights. Even I am using a reference over here. A liquid when exposed to light has so many reflections, so while we are painting a liquid, we have to keep in mind the shadows and the highlights in it to get a realistic look of the liquid. Now I've started painting the saucer here, and for the saucer I have a shade lighter than the background. For that I have added more of titanium white to the color. Just around the cup it will be darker, and on the edges of the saucer I have tried to keep it lighter. As you can see here, I am blending the two colors. I don't want any distinction line. Here I am using titanium white to color the cup. I'll be covering the brim with the titanium white. And you can use colors of your choice for the tea and the background. I have tried to use this tones of yellow and orange, as I'm very fond of chamomile tea, so these colors appeal to my eye. And for the herbs, I'm using the mixture of cobalt blue and viridian hue. By mixing these two colors, I get this beautiful peacock color. And the small flowers will be painted with this blue. I have some chamomile flowers with white petals. When these herbs are floating in the water, they will cast a shadow at the bottom, so I'll be making the areas around these herbs a little darker. And I have also chose to draw some flowers and herbs out of the cup. Did you like the concept of this painting? Let me know your views in the comments below. And if you like this painting, also hit the like button. You may also want to subscribe to my channel. I post a new art video every week. We are almost done with our painting. It's a very beautiful and easy painting. I'm just giving my finishing touches over here. I'm using crimson red mixed with burnt sienna and also a little bit of cadmium yellow to create some ripples in the cup. When the tea pours in the cup, it will create some ripples and some bubbles. At last, I am creating the highlights with titanium white, and we are almost done now.
So here we have our beautiful cafe art. Did you like this painting? Let me know your views and opinions in the comments below. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have mentioned the links in the description. And you can also purchase my artworks. That link is also given in the description. And I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.